Today we're taking a closer look at the RUIX OV603 ATX mid-tower PC case, a sleek and spacious gaming chassis designed to balance performance, aesthetics, and airflow. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this case promises to deliver with its thoughtful design and robust features. Let's dive in and see what makes it stand out in a crowded market. First, let's talk about the key features. The RUIX OV603 boasts a tempered glass side panel, giving your build a premium showcase while maintaining durability. It comes equipped with 420mm PWM ARGB fans right out of the box, ensuring excellent airflow and vibrant lighting to match your setup. The inclusion of both USB 3.0 and a Type-C port on the front panel is a welcome touch, catering to modern peripherals and fast data transfers. Inside, the case offers ample space for ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, with room for GPUs up to 380mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the spacious rear compartment and multiple routing cutouts. In real-world use, the RUIX OV603 shines. The high airflow design keeps temperatures in check, even during intense gaming sessions, and the PWM fans operate quietly under normal loads. The ARGB lighting is customizable, adding a dynamic flair to your build. The tempered glass panel feels sturdy and provides a clear view of your components, though it's worth handling with care during installation. Users will appreciate the tool-free drive bays and the ease of assembling their system, though some may find the instructions a bit sparse. Of course, no product is perfect. While the case excels in airflow and aesthetics, the stock fans, though decent, might not satisfy hardcore enthusiasts who prefer premium aftermarket options. Additionally, the Type-C port's functionality depends on your motherboard's support, which could be a limitation for some builds. Compared to similar cases like the Lianli Langcool 215 or the Fantex Eclipse P400A, the RUIX OV603 holds its own with its included ARGB fans and Type-C port, though it may lack some of the premium finishes or modularity of higher-end competitors. To get the most out of this case, consider pairing it with a high-quality ARGB controller for synchronized lighting effects. Optimize airflow by adding extra fans or upgrading to liquid cooling if you're pushing your hardware to the limits. And don't forget to take advantage of the cable management features. A tidy build not only looks better, but improves airflow. Overall, the RUIX OV603 is a fantastic choice for gamers and builders looking for a stylish, high-performance case without breaking the bank. It's particularly well-suited for mid-range to high-end builds where airflow and aesthetics are priorities. If you're after a case that offers great value, solid construction, and plenty of room to grow, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building.